Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from the Wizz app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you've been banned from the Wizz app and wish to regain access, I've got a few different ways how we can do this. So we first need to understand the reasons of the ban. So first determine why your account was banned in the first place. So common reasons include sharing inappropriate content, spamming, using unauthorized third-party apps, or violating community guidelines. Now, if the app doesn't specify the reason, reflect on the recent activities that might have led to the ban. So in this case here, this is just from Google. Just did a Google search of Unbanned. So you've been banned because you shared a picture or post a message that infringes our terms and conditions. So in order to try and fix this, what we can do is go ahead and submit an appeal. So if you think the image doesn't infringe of their terms of service and all that stuff, we can submit an appeal. So we need to contact their support. So from here, we need to go back and then open up a web browser, go to Google and just type in Wizz app, or go to wizzapp.com, and then we need to contact their customer support. So from here on the top right hand corner, we've got 3 horizontal bars. Click onto that and then click into contact us. Now this is where we can contact Wizz. So drop us a message here. So put in your name, email address, select who you are and your message, and also check these 2 boxes. Alright, so I'll put in my name, email address, select who you are. So I'm just a Wizz user, but if you're parent, legal guardian, click one of them. I'm an influencer, etc. And then put in your message, just be as specific as you can and just outline saying that you've been fairly banned on the Wizz app and you'd like to be unbanned, and just say the reasons why. And if you can link any photos here or send any photos, do so as well. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on submit. So appealing within an hour of the ban increases the chances of reinstatement as well. So if you get banned, try and appeal straight away. Don't leave it weeks or months, and generally they'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours to see if your unban has been successful or not.